Hello everyone, coming to Python programming hands-on. In this we are going to discuss lists. We already started discussing lists. Now we'll add some more topics on the lists. We already discussed the lists are mutable, that means we can modify it. Whereas the strings are immutable, that means we can't modify. The now question is how we can modify the strings. The answer is simple. First convert a string into the list and then do the modification, then convert back to the string. That is the method to modify the string. So here, yeah, how to modify string, that is first convert string into lists, then do the modification and then convert back to the string. So this is a method we can follow. So let us take an example is equal to some string we can take like apple. So let us say I want to modify it. I want to modify it like this. Instead of capital A, I want to just apple. This way I want to modify. So how we can modify actually? So if you try like this, let us say a of 0 is equal to small a. If you try like this, no, this is a wrong, the error actually. So here we can't modify like this. So how we can modify? Some method is like we can do like this. Let us say b is equal to a dot lower. So we can apply some function. Now print b. Yeah, now it is will get a apple. So like this we can do apply the functions. So one method is applying the function on the string, and like this we can modify the strings. So here what actually here happening is when you are copied assigning some function a dot lower means here what happens is a never modifies. A never modifies. Only b value is copied. The copy of a will be there in the b. So copy will be there in the a never modifies, but copy will be there in the b, that is modified with the lower function. So this is a method actually. It is internally it follows the list process. And we can do one more example. We can take suppose how we can split. So how to split, that is one more method, one more thing we have to, how to split string. So first let us say a is equal to one string actually. Yeah, this is Python. Let us say this is a Python. B is equal to a dot split. So now print b. So what is the output here? The output is like this. This Python. So like this, how we can split? Now we can split it. How we can split the for I in B and print I. So like this. Here output is like this. This and is and Python. So like that, a split operation will take place. So here, whenever we want to do the modification of the string, so that internally what we are doing is converting into list and then do the process. So same thing we will discuss on hands-on. So take a notepad. Yes, copy this one. Yes, and this file save as yeah, list. So in the desktop, list2 dot py. Print a, let us say, save, and just take the command prompt. And Python so see, so here we can understand the fourth line. Okay, just comment it first. Just see, this is, yeah, a is equal to wrong error. Yeah, in this line we have the string object does not support the item assignment. So here we can't modify it, right? So here we have to do comment it. So this is wrong, right? And just will do this process. Yes, and we'll go ahead. Yes, see, apple and apple. So this is the way we can modify it, right? And coming to this one, and here see, notepad, you have to write like this. This is the Python. See what happens. Okay. Yeah, see, this is the Python. Yeah, print b will be, this is a Python, and print I will be the splitting of three things. So this way we can the make use of the friend to the list. So both list and strings are the it's a correlate each other. So this is about a lists and strings. Hope you understand this class.